Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to the Lovely. All right, guys. Now, I'm going to apologize in advance for the poor lighting. I was out today running errands and did not get back until the sun set. And I typically try to record during daylight so that the sun that's on my right hand shoulder shines in and brightens up the video. But that didn't happen. So just try and squint real hard to see what I'm bringing you. Anyway, so I'm popping on today real quick to share with you some things that I picked up recently on a couple of trips to Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, and I think even Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. I don't know much from Walmart. Anyways, but before I get started, I just want to say that if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the lovely crafty uploads. And if you are not new and you're a current subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thanks for sharing your time with me. You could be anywhere else, doing anything else, but you are here watching me. And I thank you. Now, went to Hobby Lobby. Wasn't even supposed to be there. I was supposed to be somewhere else, but you don't need to know where or why. I wasn't there. But let's just say I just had a few extra minutes and I decided to stop on into Hobby Lobby, see if they had anything good for me. One of the things I was looking for was two things. I'm still looking to see if they're going to bring out the works for We Are Memory Keepers. They ain't have it. And I'm also looking to see, because I want to get it in store so I can use my coupon, the We Are Memory Keepers crocodile. Yeah, I want it for the eyelets. I need that one. Desperately need that one because I'm not going to be going through these holes, and I'm not even going to talk about it. Anyways, they didn't have that. They were out of stock on that one, so I'm going to check back and hopefully I can get that so it can make my journal making life easier. But I did find these. I found this nesting die, and I have been wanting the circular one. I have a rectangular one with the stitching, and I don't use it that often. Actually, I probably won't use much die cuts, dies that often, but I need this one, the circular, the one with a rounding edge to give some softness to the cards and some of the things that I make in journals and blah, blah, blah. So I got that. And then I also picked up these clear stamps. Oh, what the heck is on here? That was $3.74 marked down from $14.99. Then they had the clear stamps for $2.49, and I really wanted this one because, and sorry for the glare, but because this was the it's kind of like the Happy Mail stamp set. So it has the please deliver to, kindly deliver to. You got, oh gosh, it's just full of stamps. This is one stamp, then kindly deliver to, then sealed with a kiss, sent with love. Then you got the little leaves, and a lot of these you can just use, intermittently through other projects, but please deliver to. Then you got the arrows, kindly deliver to. Then you got the frame, please deliver to, snail mail. I love all of the options that you have here, and I know I'll get a lot of usage out of it. So that was $9.99 on sale, on clearance for $2.49. That was a good bargain. Yeah. And then this was my happy find, because I'm an Echo Park girl. And do you see that? Photopolymer Stamp. Let me just get a whiff. Yeah. That photopolymer makes my mouth water. Anyways, don't judge me. $12.99, clearanced out at $3.24. That was a deal. So you've got the wreath with the word bloom in there, and you can take that out and put any of these small sentiments in there, like smiles, joy, hello, life, live life in full bloom. You got arrows, and you've got some of the botanicals. It never fails. Telemarketers call it all the time. Anyways, let me get through with this. So we got the plants, smiles, grow laughter, harvest love, and you got the little banner flag right there, and a couple of different hearts. I wonder why they put two hearts in here. One's longer than the other, I guess, and that they got three of them in here. So I think you can let love bloom. I think you can put the smaller sentiments inside the wreaths. And it's got different types of fonts, so that's going to be pretty interesting. Okay. All right, and so moving right along. Okay, so the only thing I grabbed from Walmart were the fine tip markers by Pen and Gear. Now, let me just go on to say this. Did y'all know that Pen and Gear is woman owned? That sucked me right in. I definitely will be continuing to support them proudly. I tried these. Very good. Very good. They do not bleed through to the opposite side of the paper. For planners anyways. I don't know about, well, you know, I tried it on printer paper and it didn't. So fine tip markers suitable for writing, signing, drawing, and coloring. And the pigment is vibrant. So I think these were $4.99 maybe, or $5.99. And there is 20 markers in here, so that's a good buy. All right, so Dollar Tree. I picked up these cosmetic wedges because I think that I'm going to need to be able to use those. I want to just try them with some distressing ink and see what effect I get. That's my thought on getting those. That and the fact that I need it from a foundation that I plan on using now that I'm in the real estate world, or should I say back in the real estate world. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I'll apply a thin coat of foundation, just to, you know, a little cover up and some mascara, some bronzer and some lip gloss and, you know, mascara. Did I say mascara already? You see how simple it is? I don't even know what I've told you because it's so small. The list is so small. Anyway, so I'll be using some of those in crafting and some of those to make myself look fabulous. Did you hear me say fabulous, y'all? Fabulous. All right, so also at the Dollar Tree, they had these metallic rose colored paper clips, and I thought that these would be really cute, especially in journals, because most of our journals are vintage themed, and you know, the silver ones, while they work and they, you know, you can always, you know, we're covering them anyways, but sometimes you want that, you know, cute base to go with them. Okay, another thing I found, there was a contour brush. I ain't using this for makeup. My makeup game is not that deep, but I have seen quite a few crafters using the contour brushing for with the distress ink and blending different colors together. So I'm just going to try this one out. If it works well, I'll probably pick up a few more, and I'll be sure to pop back on and let you guys know my findings. Okay. Also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up some twine. I needed this because it has more of the rustic color feel to it. And I'm so mad that they are still only using this ridiculous Crafter Square brand. I know Crafter Square is Crafter Square, but they rebranded the packaging, and my Dollar Tree does not have the newer stuff. So anyways, and I wanted to try this Savory glue stick. Now it does say washable, acid-free, non-toxic, but I plan to use this on collaging where I'm not on projects that won't be moved about and touched and all of the stuff, or it's going to be stitched over, because 9 times out of 10 the washable glue, it doesn't hold. And then lastly, the thing I purchased was the Eileen tacky glue. This, I just bought it because it's the small bottle. I'm typically working with the larger bottle, but I'm coming to the end of this one, and when I replace this one, I'm going to need the smaller bottle to be able to have on my desk and on hand. It's just a little easier to work with, less cumbersome. Anyways, so that's it, guys. It's not much I got out here. You know I'm going to do it. I'm a $20 or less type of shopper. I feel no guilt when I'm splurging with 20. That's not a lot. But you know what I could do with $20? I can buy my son some sweatpants and a long sleeve tee right around this time of year. So, you know, don't judge me on my frugalness. Okay? I'm a mom on a budget. Nevertheless, thanks for watching. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.